If you're someone who loves to take your vitamins, did you know that there could be some synthetic ingredients that could be very compromising to your health that could be lurking in your supplements and your vitamins? So I'm going to go through one of those things that I really want you to check your labels for, and it's called cross-carmylose sodium. So if you see this on your label of your supplements, your favorite vitamin, it could be your multivitamin, it could be your herbal medicines as well, I want you to look under non-medicinal ingredients or excipients on the label. And if you see this ingredient, cross-carmylose sodium, that is a synthetic ingredient. It's used as a disintegrant, and it helps for the tablets or the capsules to break down more quickly in your digestive tract. It can also be used in some supplements as a binder, a glidant, so a flow agent, and an anti-adherent molecule in your supplements. Now, the risk of this cross-carmylose sodium, which a lot of people don't realize, is that it can have potential side effects. One of which, if you're sensitive to it and allergic to it, is an anaphylactic reaction, which can cause all of the symptoms of anaphylaxis like hives, swelling, and even difficulty breathing. Now, another common symptom could be intestinal obstruction with ingesting this toxic ingredient in your supplements. It could also lead to overgrowth of the wrong bacteria in your microflora and your intestinal flora, which may disrupt the proper balance of your probiotics in your microbiome. And this is especially important for people who suffer with IBS, Crohn's, colitis, celiac disease. This can really exacerbate your symptoms of your gut health issues by ingesting this ingredient in your supplements, which you didn't know. Now, one of the biggest factors, in my opinion, with this cross-carmylose sodium in your supplements is that it can decrease the proper absorption of the supplements that you are ingesting to make you feel better. This is because that disintegrant effect can be breaking down your supplement higher up in the digestive tract, so let's say in the stomach, instead of those nutrients getting to the small and large intestine where they're designed to have that proper absorption so that you get the efficacy from your supplement. So anything that has that cross-carmylose sodium in it can potentially be affecting how well your vitamins are actually working for you. Now, I do want you to learn more about other toxic ingredients that could be lurking in your supplements. Please check out my other video called Avoid These 7 Toxic Ingredients in Your Supplements. I'll see you there.